Are you ready to sound like a native? With these American slang and idioms, you'll be confident to start a conversation with native speakers. What are you waiting for? Subscribe and learn new vocabulary words daily. Are you ready? Here are American slang and their idioms counterparts. Wrap up means to finish doing something. When to use. Use it when you're finishing up a task or activity. Idiomatic counterpart. Finish up or conclude. Real-life example. Let's wrap up this meeting. We've covered everything we needed to discuss. Are you kidding me? This means a phrase to represent excitement, frustration. When to use. It's used to express excitement or frustration, depending on the context. Idiomatic counterpart. You must be joking, or no way. Real-life example, excitement. Are you kidding me? I won tickets to the concert. Frustration. Are you kidding me? I missed the bus again. You're telling me. Meaning, I know when to use. Use this to agree emphatically with someone. Idiomatic counterpart. I know, or you're right. Real-life example. It's so hot today. You're telling me I'm sweating like crazy. All ears, meaning has your undivided attention. When to use. To show that someone is listening attentively. Idiomatic counterpart, listening closely. Real-life example, I'm all ears, tell me what happened. Glow up, meaning a makeover, transformed from ugly to less ugly. When to use. To describe a significant transformation or makeover, often in appearance. Idiomatic counterpart, transformed or changed for the better. Real-life example. Have you seen her lately? She's had a real glow-up. She looks stunning now. You can also do a language glow-up and achieve faster results. Try the free English courses on Alison. In Alison, they believe that empowering yourself shouldn't just be rewarding, but also really simple and free. You can find the link in the description below. Now, let's continue the slang. Open up Pandora's box. Meaning, cause, start trouble. When to use. It means to cause or start trouble or problems by revealing something. Idiomatic counterpart. Unleash chaos or stir up trouble. Real-life example. I warned them not to open up Pandora's box by investigating that old scandal. In the zone. When to use. To describe someone who is performing exceptionally well or focused. Idiomatic counterpart. In peak performance or in a state of flow. Real-life example. During the game, he was in the zone, scoring one goal after another. Tune out, meaning performing as well as or better than one can when to use. To stop paying attention or become disinterested in something. Idiomatic counterpart. Lose interest or zone out. Real-life example. I tend to tune out during long lectures. It's hard to stay focused. Off the hook, meaning freed from blame. When to use. Use this phrase when someone is freed from blame or responsibility for something. Idiomatic counterpart. Cleared of wrongdoing or let off the hook. Real-life example. The evidence proved his innocence, and he was off the hook for the crime. Off the chain, meaning really good. When to use. Use it to describe something that is really good, exciting, or exceptional. Idiomatic counterpart. Outstanding or top-notch. Real-life example. That party last night was off the chain. The music, the food, everything was amazing. No cap, meaning not lying. When to use. This slang is used to emphasize that someone is not lying or exaggerating. Idiomatic counterpart. No lie or I'm serious. Real-life example. I saw a celebrity at the mall, no cap. It was incredible. Straight fire, meaning trendy. When to use. Use this to describe something that is trendy, stylish, or exceptionally good. Idiomatic counterpart. On point or lit. Real-life example. Her outfit is straight fire. She always dresses so fashionably. Now, test your understanding. Complete the sentence with the correct slang term. Let's blank this meeting. We've covered everything we needed to discuss. In response to a friend's complaint about the heat, you might say, blank! I'm sweating like crazy! When someone has undergone a significant transformation in their appearance, you can say, have you seen her lately? She's had a real blank. She looks stunning now. Use these slang and idioms whenever you can, because it's only practice that you'll enhance your English fluency. To push your limits, you can download the free 5-day guide to English fluency and start practicing today. See you again tomorrow!